Kneading through the calf, I'm trying to see where we still have a little bit of tension. I like this passive contact over my thigh, and then I'm going to slowly see if I can lean in with my forearm, maybe about here. I'm going to come in. I'm going in a broad, sort of general to specific, superficial to deep. How's that rolling, Sarah?
Feels really nice.
Okay. I could always lean in with just straight compression, but for some reason I was called to roll out the calf this way. Think about like a rolling pin. You're also doing this in a way that allows you to mobilize your own arm, creating less tension in your shoulder joint.